Here I have HTC Desire 22 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to do this, all I need to do is to just press combination of keys, power key plus volume down at the same time, like this, and the screenshot will be taken. So let me show you once again: power key, volume down, and that's how you can easily take screenshots. Basically, let's just once again. So yeah, you can find your screenshots in photos, in screenshots, and here they are. And from here you can share, edit or delete your screenshots, just like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.